Hello, it's Markham Torch here from Markham 3D, and it has been an amazing week. The NBN has been unbelievable, decent downloads and uploads, which means I've been able to stream really well. I did say I was going to be streaming on Twitch, however, there's no point in recreating my audience, so I actually am streaming on YouTube. So actually like and subscribe to the channel and get a pop-up. I'm normally streaming about 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time in Australia. A lot of you Americans are probably in bed, but you know, I can't stream while I'm at work, which I probably shouldn't. What else has been good? So I've been doing primarily working on the VR game. The modeling's coming along nicely. The puzzles are now starting to interact and slowly coming about. It is looking schmick, and in VR it looks amazing. From the last stream, someone mentioned about fire, and I went, sick, let's put some fire in. Oh my goodness, it is awesome. So there's another whole puzzle that I've created. Whole bunch of effects are coming into my mind, and just got to work out how to do them. I think I've said it before, I'm not a coder. I understand concepts, but code I can't understand. But Unreal Engine just works. The other cool thing that I did last week was the 3D print of the Hoth shield generators from Star Wars. They looked on point, and I've got it here. So initially in the video it's all grey, but I actually went out and I bought more paints. This is going to become an addictive side hobby, which may be primary hobby, I don't know. Let me know, should I be moving more into the 3D printing and painting realms, or keep going with Blender? I'd really love to hear your input. But I went out and I bought some rust color, and it just made the model pop. It was from somebody on Facebook, said put some rust on there. Oh my goodness, point. Views are going well. I've seen there's a few other Blender channels that have popped up recently, and they're just doing way better than me. Good on them, well done. I hopefully be able to get that one video that skyrockets me a little bit, but we're going from there. So viewers gone up, subscribers have gone up. I want to thank you, Bart from BlenderNation.com. He's been posting quite a few of my videos, which has been nice. And yes, so catch me on live streams. Like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about the channel with the direction. Is there any videos you want me to do? Are there any add-ons you want me to review? I'm more than happy to purchase add-ons and review them. That's cool. And yeah, thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for sticking around this long. And until next time.